Aujourd'hui, on va faire comment répondre. Comment répondre, which means how to reply. How to answer. So basically in English, if I ask you how to reply, you would say either yes or no. Like I ask you, you live in Paris? You would say, yes, I live in Paris. You speak English? No, I do not speak English. So either your answer can be yes or no. But in French, il y a trois manières de répondre. There are three ways of giving replies, which are oui, no, si. Now, what is oui? Oui is yes, no is no, and si is again yes. So basically now you must be thinking that what is the difference between oui and si, right? So in this video, I'll explain you what is the difference. So here I'll write down oui, no, si. Question, réponse. Okay? Now, si votre question est positive et la réponse est aussi positive, on utilise oui. Si votre question est positive, mais la réponse est négative, là, vous utilisez non. Si votre question est négative et la réponse est aussi négative, on utilise non. Si votre question est négative, mais la réponse est positive, là, vous utilisez si. D'accord? Comment? So this thing I'll just explain you in English as well. If your question is positive and the reply is also positive, you use oui. If your question is positive but your reply is negative, then you use no. Or if your question is negative and the reply is also negative, in that case also you use no. If your question is negative and your answer is positive, in that case you use si. Okay? Now, I'll give you a few examples. Vous parlez anglais? Vous parlez anglais? Now, tell me, is your question positive or negative? Your question is positive. Vous parlez anglais? Oui, je parle anglais. Why did I use oui? Because the question was also positive and the reply is also positive. So I use oui. Okay. Now, your answer can also be no, I do not speak English. In that case, your question is positive, but your reply is negative. So you use non, je ne parle pas anglais. Votre réponse est négative. I'll give you one more example. Vous ne parlez pas anglais? Now let's say somebody asked you, vous ne parlez pas anglais? Don't you speak English? Now, your question is positive or negative? Of course, it has ne pas, so it is negative. Now here, if you want to say that, yes, I speak English, so there you cannot use oui. Then you'll have to use si. Why? Because the question was negative and you're replying your answer positively. So si je parle anglais. So if I ask you, vous ne parlez pas anglais? Si, je parle anglais. But if you want to say, no, I don't speak English, in that case, your question is also negative and the answer is also negative. You use no. Alors, non, je ne parle pas anglais. So basically, if your answer is negative, in that case, you are always going to use no. But if your answer is positive, then it depends upon the question. If the question is also positive, you use we. But if the question is negative, then you use C while replying positively to a negative question. I hope you got it. Okay, now I'll give you a few examples for practice. Il fait du soleil en hiver. Is it sunny in winter? Il fait du soleil en hiver. Now tell me, is the question positive or negative? The question is positive. Now depends what you want to reply. Of course, you would say, no, it's not sunny. So you're replying negatively to a positive question. So that's no. Non, il ne fait pas de soleil en hiver. So you use no. Okay, now I'll give you the next example. Tu ne veux pas aller en France? Now think in your mind, is the question negative or positive? The question is negative. Now, if you want to say that, yes, I want to go to France, you would say, si je veux aller en France. Because here you're replying positively to a negative question. Si je veux aller en France. But let's say if you want to say, no, I don't want to go to France, in that case, the question is also negative and the answer is also negative. You use no. Non, je ne veux pas aller en France. Négative. OK? Par exemple, il neige en hiver? Il neige en hiver? La question est positive. Of course, you would say, yes, it snows in winter. So question is also positive and the answer is also positive. You're going to use oui, il neige en hiver. Okay? Some more examples. Elle ne travaille pas à la maison. Elle ne travaille pas à la maison. Vous pouvez dire si. Elle travaille à la maison. You're replying again positively to a negative question. So basically, it always depends upon you. What do you want to say, yes or no? Okay, I'm replying according to me, but you can frame your own sentences. Okay, now let's say, il veut jouer au golf. Il veut jouer au golf. You can say, depends. If he wants to play, then the question is also positive. You said oui. Il veut jouer au golf. But if you want to say no, non, il ne veut pas jouer au golf. Next example. Est-ce que ta mère n'aime pas la musique? Est-ce que ta mère n'aime pas la musique? The question is negative. Now, if you want to say that, yes, my mother likes the music. So your question is negative and you're replying positively. So what will you say, oui or si? No, you'll say si. Si. Pardon. Si ma mère aime la musique. And if she doesn't like the music, of course, you will say non, elle n'aime pas la musique. Okay, so I'll repeat for you. In French, there are 3 ways of replying. Oui, non à si. Si votre question est positive et la réponse est aussi positive, vous utilisez oui. Si votre question est positive mais la réponse est négative, vous utilisez non. Si votre question est négative et la réponse est aussi négative, vous utilisez non. Si votre question est négative mais votre réponse est positive, vous utilisez si.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have also launched our YouTube membership of various levels with tons of benefits. You can check the same by clicking on the join button you're seeing on your screen just below the video. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir et bisous bisous.